Hello viewer, welcome to our tutorials on how to set up your system window to align with your Global Mapper Pro. If you've just installed your Global Mapper for the very first time, you need to undergo this process to set up your window. If not, you'll not be able to add data. There's some settings that that must be done on your window to enable you add your data successfully. So now I have added my data. I want to add my data profile. So my area is to add one DM digital elevation model. So let's try and see. Click on yes. If your window is set, this source message will not appear. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for our next video. If I click yes, it would not execute. It says fail to load. Fail to load. The system and the Global Mapper that don't recognize each other. So what I will have to do is to go to my system and set up my window. So here's how to set up my window. Go on desktop. Then I'll go to that folder or the entire window. I'm going for the entire system. Go where you have view. Then click down the narrow way. This is to align with what? With the Global Mapper. So I will scroll down, go to show. So I will tick this file name extensions. It's not tick. File name extension. So now, having done that, I'll go back to show you that now you have been ticked successfully. So having done that, all this file now, I can easily add my shapefile and any data in my Global Mapper. So I'll go back to my Global Mapper and then repeat the same process to add, go to file, then open data file, then that same then I'll click on yes, Ganansi. Then yes. Now we have successfully added our data. We have successfully aligned our window with Global Mapper to enable us to add our file of any type successfully. So please subscribe to my channel for other video on Global Mapper and other tutorial GIS also. Watch my video and stay tuned. Thank you for watching.